What's up, you guys? It's Amina Jane. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go down, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know I'm posting another video. And if you are not new, welcome back, you guys. I hope your weekend is going marvelous. I hope your week was marvelous. I hope you enjoyed the video I dropped a couple of days ago. Well, Friday, of course. But I just want to give back to you guys. I know I've been slow with these videos and you guys are just like, I'm about to unsubscribe to you, bitch, because you're playing games. And it's like, don't fear, Amina J is here, okay? So today we are going to be reacting to Michael Jackson, Human Nature, and I like this song. I like this song so much. I feel like it just hits different for me. It hits home a little bit. I don't know if I want to watch the original video or I want to watch the concert. Wait, there was never a video to this. It was just a sound until he made the concert and stuff like that. We are going to be watching the concert then. Please, please, please. I'm hoping I'm able to watching this. We are going to be watching the one from Yokohama 1987, okay? I hope that's okay. We're going to be reacting to that. I'm going to clear the ads because I don't know why ads always pop up with every video. I'm always watching. I think ads hate me because they're always coming back in some shape or form. Yeah. But if you guys are ready for this video, smash that like button. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna move over in 3, 2, I don't know if I'm gonna have to pause it, but I'm gonna pause it anyway. I love Michael in the late 80s, early 90s. Like, can we just appreciate him in this era? He looks so good. And his outfits, Michael. But I love, you already know. Ooh. Let me take a bite, Michael. Why? I noticed during his concerts, he's so sweaty. I know it's because he be performing for hours, but damn, that sweat be looking good on him though. It really like be adding like texture to his hair, the sweat and the water he said he'd be using in his hair to just bring out the curls a little bit more. It works for him. It really works for him. And I just love the way he looks in this era. Everything just looks so good with him. And just, oh, Michael, why can't we have this version of you back? Why can't you come back, man? Let's continue. I love it. I just love his movements in this. Like, it's not too much, but it's subtle. I love how subtle it is. And the movements just like, he don't have to do too much to show you he's the the man. Like, ooh. Ooh. Make me want to do something. All right, Michael. Ooh. Whoever edited this video. Oh, I'm gonna start doing a video on how different Michael Jackson movements he be doing, because I have a few I always want to do a video too. Ooh, tell her. Hey. I love it. Oh, I love it. And it's like, he has these dimples. Oh, he has these dimples. You can't see my dimples because I'm wearing makeup. But I have dimples, don't worry. But his dimples. Oh my god. The magic. Oh shit, we trapped in a box. I love when he does that. Yes, get it, Michael. Get it. Get it, boo-boo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? It was so beautiful. Oh, I love him. I love him so much. Maybe one of these videos I might actually react to his live tour, but that's like an hour. I'm gonna have to chill with it and then react to it. But oh my god, I had a crazy idea over the week. How do you guys feel about me reacting to Captain EO? If you guys do not know what Captain EO is, it is a short film that Michael Jackson created. I believe it is like 35 minutes long. And I believe the Ghost one is 45 minutes long. So if you want me to react to either one, let me know in the comments, because bruh, I love Captain EO. We are here to save gonna save the world. I love it. And then, oh, I just love it. I just love Michael's creativity. I just love how musically inclined he is. I just love how he just comes up with these crazy things, and it's just like, oh, teach me, Michael, teach me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, period. If you liked it, you better hit that subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed this video, if you fuck with my energy, if you like me personally, because I'm, you already know, cute. I'm decent. That's okay. But let me know what you guys want me to react to next. I have a whole list, but you know what? I'm gonna add that to my list. And like I said, if you need me to immediately react to this, you better scream and shout in them comments. I need you to react to this. And you better stop playing, sis. And that's on period. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.